everyone. My ASUS X51R laptop does not turn on. It does not turn on after a long period of inactivity. I didn't turn it on for 6 months and the battery naturally sank. Let's try to turn it on. We press start. The indicators light up, the start button lights up, and the screen is dark. There are suspicions that my BIOS CR2032 battery sank. In order to get to this BIOS battery in the ASUS X51R, you need to completely disassemble the entire laptop, remove the monitor. And in this way we get to the motherboard, where the BIOS battery is located. We start to disassemble. We take out the fan. So turns off the adapter. The keyboard is removed. It is desirable to clean it from dirt. if it has sat down or not. We take a voltmeter, set it to 20 volts, put one plug on plus, the other on minus shows 2.77 volts, which is very small. We check a new battery and it shows 3.42 volts, this is 1 volt more. We collect everything in the reverse order, put the battery, clean all the dust that remains on the board. Carefully clean it with a brush, napkin, brush, hair dryer, and put everything in its place. We wipe dirty places with alcohol. I have already assembled a laptop, now we turn it on and check it. Windows is loading, the desktop is visible, Windows is fully loaded and this indicates that the problem was in the BIOS battery. I changed it and the laptop started working. Thank you all for your attention. If